Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing and showing you guys Aliexpress eyelashes. So I ordered 2 sets of lashes about 3 months ago and I completely forgot about it. It took a long time to get here, but once it was here, I was super excited. It was like a present for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. So covering my address, this is what the package looks like. So you see it's like very low maintenance for shipping. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it open, and they were about $1.80 a whole set. So $1.80 divided by 5, I can't do the math right now, but very cheap. So yeah, that's all that was in the packaging. Just 2 different kinds of lashes. So I'm gonna list the styles I use down below and the link also. This is what it looks like. Very similar, but still a little bit different. So it looks like this one is fluffier. They're 3D lashes, so I'm not exactly sure what that means. I think that just means it's thicker and it will give you a lot more volume. So let's go ahead and open number 36. It's pretty soft. It's not rough or anything. This whole thing was like less than $2, which is incredible. I'm gonna see how easy the band is to come off of this. Super easy. I've gotten Aliexpress lashes before, but first time getting this style. You guys can see. It's kind of flat. So just laying it on my eyes without putting glue. Let's see. It's very, very long. So definitely need to cut it. So cutting it for my eye, I'm going to go from the back. I'm going to cut a whole big chunk. Now let's see. Oops. And if you guys want to know, it's not that sticky. Like the band obviously has some adhesive, so it can stick to the set, but it's not glue that will act as an eyelash glue. So you still need to buy some kind of glue. I'm gonna cut a little bit more. Cut maybe this much. So I cut this much off. So now that's kind of short. And I'm going to grab one that I did not cut to compare. I guess I'll put it here. So this is before I cut and this is after. So a really good amount I took off. Now I do have some eye makeup done, but I don't have any eyeliner. Yeah, this looks like it would definitely fit. So I'm gonna be using my Lily Lash Glue. This is an amazing eyelash glue. I'm gonna put like just a little bit because I wanna put the other set on to show you guys. So that's how it looks like without any eyeliner. And I used a little bit of eyeshadow to make it look a little smoky, but that's about it. So with this type of look, it kind of makes it look like eyelash extensions. They're really good quality. You can see it's very put together, and the band is pretty sturdy, but yet very flexible. So if I need to move my eyelashes, I can with this. And the band is not too thick, so it's not too noticeable. So that is what number 36 looks like. So this is number 36. So honestly, I would give this a 10 out of 10. This is a really nice look. I think I would probably wear this even in the morning, like the daytime, because it's not too like dramatic. It's like lash extensions. So I'm gonna take these off, even though I just put them on, and I'm going to apply the second pair. Let's see if it's longer. So I cut about this much off. It became this short. So just to show you guys how much I took off, this is the original without cutting it, and that's how it looks, as you can see. Like this one looks a lot lighter on the eyes if you're looking at me in person. So this looks a lot more natural than the other ones. I'm going to show you guys. So this is number 36 and this is 49. So 49 and 36. Very, very, very similar. But when I applied these, the way it's curved, this looks a lot less voluptuous compared to this. So if you want more volume, go with number 36. It kind of lifts your eyes also. But if you want a very natural look and not too long, get number 49. So you guys can see the difference. Okay, I'm gonna take 36 off. So this is what number 49 looks like. So you guys have eyes similar to mine. Let me know what kind of eyelashes you guys like to put on. I'd love to try different kinds. I personally would go with this one if I were to get it in bulk, because this looks a lot more natural and easier on the eyes. The other ones I would probably wear like at night or for a special occasion. You guys can see from a distance and close up, these are definitely my favorite. So I would give these lashes a 10 out of 10. This is number 49. Very, very soft glam. I definitely recommend these eyelashes, guys. They were only $1.80 for 5 pairs. That's so worth it to me. It does take a long time to get here though. So if you're impatient, maybe pay for additional like shipping charges, because if you want it to come faster, you do have to pay a little bit more in shipping. I think my shipping was free, so my total was like $3.90 or something like that. So I'm applying some eyeliner to show you guys how it looks. So without eyeliner and with. So that's what it looks like with eyeliner. Let me know which eyelashes you guys prefer on me, because it's really hard choosing. They look almost identical. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you next time. Bye!